Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today I'm going to show how to debug the Ether channel. So I configured PAGP. There is a port aggregation protocol on core switch 1 and core switch 2. So to this core switch I connected two hosts. So this is in VLAN 10 and this is in VLAN 20. So this IP is 10.4 and this is 20.4. So also I configured the trunk between the switch 1 to switch 2. And also I configured the HSRP configuration. Let us go here. And now let us check the HSRP show standby brief. So I configure VLAN 10 and 20. So VLAN 10 is active for primary router and VLAN 20 is active for the primary router, right? So this is in active mode, both VLAN 10 and 20. Similarly, go to the secondary switch and this is standby mode. Show standby brief, this is a command, right? So this is in standby mode. And also I configure the Ether channel PAGB between core switch 1 to core switch 2. So how to check the commands? Show Ether channel summary. So for some reason, I am not able to debug the ether channel between switch 1 to switch 2. So ether channel is not formed between switch 1 to switch 2. So that is the thing we are going to troubleshoot. So see, it is in SD. S is nothing but a layer 2. D is nothing but down. So that means the port channel is down. PON is nothing but a port channel is down. So now let us check that. Show interfaces port channel. So port channel should be up. That is a basic thing for ether channel, right? The port channel is down. And also we can check the bundle port. Show ether channel port channel we can check. So there is no bundle ports, right? It should show two ports, bundle ports. Because of the ether channel not able to negotiate, so we are not able to see the bundle ports in the port channel, right? Similarly, go to switch 2 and check the ether channel summary. Show ether channel summary. So both are, it is in S is in layer 2 and this is down state, so the port channel is down. So we need to figure out the issue. Port channel is down, right? So now let us fix the issue. So I already told one should be in auto and one should be in a desirable mode. If both are in auto mode, what happen? Ether channel will not form, so there will not be any negotiation of ether channel or ether channel ports. So how to fix the issue? So one should be in auto mode and one should be in a desirable mode. So how to check that? Let us go to switch 1. Let us go to switch 1 and let us check. How to check it? Show run include channel. So this is the thing I configure. Channel protocol is PAGP, channel mode is auto. Similarly, go here and check the channel group. Show run include channel. So the channel group is auto and here also mode is auto. So both are in auto mode. Ether channel will not negotiate. But still I can ping the IP. PC1 to PC2 I'm able to ping, right? Still ether channel is not forming also. I can ping the IP because I configure the HSRP on primary and the secondary. So this is active and this is in standby mode. So you can check here actually. Go to command mode. And also we can check this is a 10.4 IP and the PC1 I configured as 20.4. So let us ping it. So still I'm able to ping the IP, right? So that's the thing I want to show you. So here also you can check. So ping 192.168.10.4 and similarly let us ping the second IP 10.4. So both the IPs I'm able to ping and also enable the routing, that is the inter-VLAN routing. So now we have to fix this ether channel issues. How to fix it? This is in auto and this is in auto mode. Both are in auto mode. So now let us go and change this mode to desirable. So now let us go here. So the main point about troubleshoot, you have to understand all the commands, so it will be easy for you to troubleshoot rather than doing a show run configuration. So you have to understand the show ether channel command. Show ether channel summary. So it is in down mode, right? So we need to fix it. Go to configuration mode and this is faster than at 1 and this is faster than at 2. So let us go to the faster than at 1 and 2, range faster than at 1 to 2. Now let us change the channel mode, right? Channel group 1 mode, let us set it as desirable. So I already told one should be in auto and one should be desirable, or both should be in a desirable mode. If both are in auto mode, ether channel will not form, right? So that is the main reason we are seeing ether channel is not formed and you're not able to see the bundle ports. So now I have changed the scenario. I have changed this to desirable mode. So now let us check it out. Show ether channel summary. So SU is nothing but S is a layer 2 and this U is nothing but it is in use. That means ether channel is working. And also we'll check the port channel. Show interfaces port channel 1. So here see the port channel is up, right? Similar way go to here and check the port channel. Show interfaces port channel. So the port channel is up, right? So we are able to form a ether channel between switch 1 and switch 2. And let us check the bundle ports. Show ether channel port channel will show the bundle ports, right? You are able to see, right, both the bundle ports 1 and 2 already bundled using the ether channel, and both are in the auto mode. Similar way, go to switch 1 and check the bundle ports. How to check it? Show ether channel, port channel. So you're able to see the bundle ports, both are in the desirable mode, right? So this is how now the ether channel forms successfully between switch 1 to switch 2. So this is a way you have to troubleshoot a PAGP, port aggregation protocol. The key point you have to remember is one should be in auto and one should be in desirable mode, or both should be in a desirable mode to form a successful ether channel. And the command you have to remember is show ether channel summary, right? This is for checking the port channel it is in use. That means the port channel is up here, and if it is down it will show SD, right? SU is nothing but it is already up. And for checking the port channel ports, you have to check show ether channel port channel. So this will show it will show the bundle ports, right? One is in auto and another one is in desirable mode. So F01 and F02 are bundled. So this is how the port channel work. I hope you understand and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.